Hi, Wayne Keller at buyfarm.com. I have another farm to tell you about. This is 178 acres between Mount Vernon and Benton, Illinois, and just east of Ina in Jefferson County. This is an Amish farm. It has a 3-bedroom home and quite a few pole buildings on it. 3 larger ones, and there are a couple of smaller sheds and all. Now, the home does not have electricity, although there is some wiring in the house. And there's no heat in the home either, as the wood furnaces were taken out when they moved away. The woods has not been cut through in several years, so it's a nice looking woods and not a lot of undergrowth on it. So the buildings have a very pretty setting, concrete driveways and everything, just a beautiful setting. So anyway, if you're interested in looking at this farm, well, give me a call. I'd be glad to show it to you. My number is 618-407-1679.